Hello students, I'm Soumitra Singh Thakur, founder of the School Excellence Program. The last 30 days before your board exams are crucial for effective revision and confidence building. Today, I'll share a step-by-step plan to help you maximize these final days and approach your exams with clarity and focus. The first step to success is having a well-structured plan for the next 30 days. Divide the remaining days among all your subjects based on their syllabus and difficulty level. Dedicate at least 1 week to each major subject with buffer days for revision. Focus on high-weightage topic first as identified in the CBSE sample papers and marking scheme. Allocate time slots for each subject daily and ensure you follow the schedule consistently. Practice with sample papers and mock tests. Mock tests are one of the best ways to prepare for board exams. Solving sample papers and previous year's question papers improves time management and builds confidence. Attempt at least 2 to 3 sample papers per subject under timed conditions. After completing each test, analyze your mistakes and focus on weak areas during revision. Use the marking scheme provided by CBSE to evaluate your answers and understand how marks are awarded. Rotate subjects daily to keep your preparation balanced and avoid monotony. While revision is important, overworking yourself can lead to burnout. A healthy body and mind are essential for peak performance during exams. Take short breaks during study sessions to recharge. Use techniques like the Pomodoro method to balance focus and rest. Ensure you get 6 to 7 hours of sleep every night at the same time. It consolidates memory and boosts concentration. Stay hydrated and eat nutritious meal to maintain your energy level. Avoid last-minute cramming as it increases stress and reduces retention. The last 30 days are crucial for fine-tuning your preparation and building confidence. Create a focused schedule, practice with mock tests, and prioritize your health to ensure you perform at your best. To support you further, I have prepared subject-specific strategies and resources tailored for CBSE board exams. These tools are freely available on my website, theschoolexcel.com. I encourage teachers and principals to access these resources and share them with their students to enhance their preparation. Stay determined, stay disciplined, and approach your exams with confidence. Wishing you all the very best for your board exams. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.